guys, welcome back to my channel. Tiana Michelle here. So today is going to be a quick clean with me. I'm going to be focusing on this hole in my wall and also cleaning my stairs and the walls on the stairs. So let's get into the video.
Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it.
So I'm going to be using this kit that I picked up at Home Depot. I believe it was $9. It comes with a patch, the putty, and a piece of sandpaper. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut the patch down so that it covers both the holes in the wall.
I know how to make me feel right. I can't help that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes, sweet talk.
So in order for it to stick, you have to apply the putty on the back of the patch and then smooth it out, and then you take some more of the putty and then you put it on the front of the patch, and then you just continue to smooth it out until it's completely flat. I did this for both holes.
Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do.
So a little backstory on how the holes got here. In December, I purchased new furniture for the family room. So in order to get the old furniture out, we tried to go through the back door, but it wouldn't work, so we had to go through this small tiny hallway. I'll link the video up above so that you can see it. So it got damaged that way the first time, and then in order for them to get the new furniture in, they couldn't go through the back door again, so they had to come through the front door. But again, the hallway was so narrow that they end up damaging the wall. And I'll link both videos up so you can see this action. It was actually pretty funny. I'm sure it wasn't funny for them, but it was funny for me to watch. And after months of looking at these holes, I decided that it was time to repair it. I wasn't able to repair the silver part that you see on the right, but I was able to repair the holes and the cracks. So that silver part, I'm gonna have to figure out some other way to repair that. But it was relatively easy to repair the holes.
All the lanes, sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby.
So as you can see, the putty goes on purple, but once it sits and dries, it actually dries white. I did a couple layers just to make sure that I got all the holes, and then once it dries, I'm gonna sand it down. I actually didn't get any footage of me sanding it down, but I will show you the after shots once it's completely dry.
The second and the third, then the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy.
So now I'm moving on to the stairway. This is actually my first time cleaning the stairway completely, and I was completely shocked at how filthy this little area was. I did clean the rails in December when I hung the Christmas lights, but actually cleaning the actual stairway, I've never done that. So I'm going to get into doing this. And as you can see, there are many marks on the wall, and I do have small children, so that's not completely shocking. So we're going to get into cleaning the wall area, the stairway wall area. So initially I thought that I can just go in and vacuum the dust out, but that didn't work. So I had to actually go in and use something wet to clean out the dust. And this was completely difficult. I didn't realize how difficult this would be, but it was really difficult.
The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, love, love.
So after getting frustrated with cleaning that little area of the stairway, I started cleaning the walls. The walls, I used the Microban all-purpose cleaner in combination with the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser.
Hey babe, look what hole I am in. I try not to think too much about what might have been. How nice if I just could let you in. I know you could be my remedy. How long will you keep trying? I know it's not, babe, it's not easy. I guess deep down inside, I knew you could be my remedy.
Of all the spring cleaning that I did do, I think this was the most difficult. So this little section, as you can see, I'm back cleaning this part, and this area was so small I couldn't really get in there to clean it out. Like, I don't know if you can really see, but I'm using like this little tiny brush, and I still wasn't able to get everything out, but I did clean it to the best of my ability. So I'll probably need to clean this again in another month.
How nice if I just could let you in. I know you could be my remedy. How long will you keep trying? I know it's not, babe, it's not easy. I guess deep down inside, I know you could be my remedy.
For the actual stairwell, I'm just using a disinfectant wipe.
I know you could be my remedy.
For the actual poles on the stairwell, this took me about an hour because I literally had to clean each one. I found something, whether it was dirt, food, Play-Doh, there was something on each one, and that was really frustrating.
Do you ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Do I ever let go of the days I wish we had? Stop crying over things I can't take back. Not yet.
Now I'm just going in with the vacuum, and I'm vacuuming each step. I got this little vacuum from Amazon. I mean, I could It could have done a better job. I need to get something else, so I end up actually sweeping the stairwell instead of using this in the end.
Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. You, oh you, I keep wishing we'll end up together. You, oh you, I keep wishing and wishing and wishing. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense.
So like I said previously, I ended up sweeping the stairs because the vacuum just wasn't getting the job done. And this was actually a nice little workout for me. It took me about 15 to 20 minutes to do the entire stairs.
One love.